Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our Illegal Gambling or Gaming Defense Lawyer in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with illegal gambling or gaming in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your illegal gambling or gaming charge. Contact one of our Missouri illegal gambling or gaming charges defense lawyers today at 3-149-00-HELP to protect your rights and future. Let's discuss hiring our illegal gambling or gaming defense lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Illegal gambling or gaming defense lawyers in Missouri. Facing illegal gambling or gaming charges in Missouri? You don't have to navigate the legal system alone. At Combs Waterkotte, we understand the complexities of Missouri's gambling laws and how aggressively they're prosecuted. Whether you've been accused of running an unlicensed game, operating a slot machine, or being involved in internet-based betting, our criminal defense attorneys are prepared to protect your freedom and fight for your future. Illegal Gambling and Gaming Lawyer Missouri. Accused of running an illegal poker game, operating unlicensed slot machines, or taking bets online. Don't take chances with your freedom. Missouri's gambling laws are strict, and prosecutors waste no time building a case. At Combs Waterkotte, we bring powerhouse defense to clients charged with gambling and gaming offenses in Missouri. With decades of experience, deep knowledge of Missouri statutes, and a reputation for successful results, we fight hard to keep your record clean, your assets protected, and your future intact. If you're facing illegal gambling or gaming charges in Missouri, contact us online or call 3-149-00-HELP for a free and confidential consultation with one of our skilled white-collar crime lawyers. Understanding gambling laws in Missouri. Missouri law prohibits gambling outside of licensed venues, such as state-sanctioned casinos. According to RSMO Section 572.010, gambling is broadly defined and includes any contest, game of chance, or wagering activity where something of value is risked on an uncertain outcome. This includes poker games, sports betting, internet gambling platforms, and using gambling devices like unregistered slot machines. Charges often arise when authorities allege that someone has profited from facilitating or participating in unauthorized gambling activities, even in private residences or online environments. Even playing in what seems like a harmless, friendly game may result in misdemeanor or felony charges depending on how the law is interpreted. Common illegal gambling charges in Missouri. Our Missouri Criminal Defense Team has successfully defended clients in Missouri facing a wide range of gambling-related offenses, including operating or promoting unlicensed gambling enterprises, possession or use of illegal slot machines or gaming devices, online sports betting or fantasy sports pools, running poker games or betting pools without a license, money laundering tied to gambling profits, unlawful use of cryptocurrencies or apps for gambling purposes. These charges often accompany other white-collar offenses, which is why working with a law firm that understands both financial crime and gaming law is critical. Penalties for illegal gambling in Missouri. Missouri law treats illegal gambling offenses seriously. Penalties vary based on the scope of the activity, prior criminal history, and whether the gambling involved minors or took place near schools or public areas. Class C misdemeanor, first-time gambling offense, up to 15 days in jail and a $750 fine. Class A misdemeanor, repeated or organized gambling, up to 1 year in jail and a $2,000 fine. Class E felony, profiting from gambling or running a gambling business, up to 4 years in prison and larger fines. Federal charges, if activity crossed state lines or involved the internet, federal laws may apply, leading to steeper penalties and federal prison time. You may also face asset forfeiture, business closures, and reputational damage, even if you're ultimately not convicted. How a Combs, Waterkotte, Missouri, gaming defense lawyer can help. When you're facing illegal gambling charges, you need more than just some random attorney whose number you plucked off of a bus stop ad. You need a skilled legal team that's been there before and knows how to win. Combs, Waterkotte has represented thousands of clients in Missouri and across Missouri, and our white-collar crimes defense attorneys have the courtroom experience and legal expertise to protect your future. What can happen if you don't hire an illegal gambling lawyer in Missouri? You could unknowingly plead guilty to a felony offense. Law enforcement may seize your money or property. You risk damaging your professional or business reputation. Judges may impose maximum penalties, including jail time. You might lose professional licenses or permits. Your immigration status could be affected if convicted. Without strategic defense, your record may remain permanent. It becomes harder to negotiate plea deals without representation. How a Missouri illegal gambling lawyer can help. At Combs, Waterkotte, we approach every case with an aggressive, personalized strategy. Whether this is your first run-in with the law or you're facing complex federal gaming allegations, we're prepared to defend you every step of the way. Our legal team will examine the legality of the search and seizure of gambling devices or funds, investigate whether law enforcement overstepped in surveillance or entrapment, negotiate with prosecutors to reduce or dismiss charges, represent you in court with a clear and confident defense strategy. Why choose Combs, Waterkotte for gambling defense in Missouri? With over 50 years of combined criminal defense experience, Combs, Waterkotte is one of Missouri's most trusted law firms for white-collar and gambling-related cases. We don't just defend clients, we restore their confidence, reputation, and future. We're known for results-driven advocacy in high-stakes criminal matters, deep familiarity with Missouri gaming laws and enforcement trends, a client-centered approach that values discretion, communication, and results, 24/7 availability for urgent legal needs. Contact a Missouri gambling and gaming lawyer today. If you've been charged with illegal gambling in Missouri, don't wait. The earlier you involve a skilled criminal defense attorney, the better your chances of a successful outcome. At Combs, Waterkotte, we know how to push back on overreaching charges and protect your name, your business, and your future. Call 314-900-HELP now or reach out online to speak confidentially with a Missouri illegal gambling lawyer today.